Hey guys, Dingo here. Finally got my Boneyard box in. Ordered 3 of them. It came in one big package. It was about 19 pounds. So let's get to it and see what we got here. Bought these so me and my boys can start taking on things and teach them how to work on their own guns. Maybe we get something good out of them. Let's see what we got. As always, bubble wrap. Oh, alright. Lancer Tactical. Wonder if this is a pro line, because it's full metal. Doesn't appear to be missing anything. Alright, I'll get a battery and test these out here shortly. Keep going, see what we got. Looks like we got a Lancer Tactical. Not much on AKs. This looks like a 47U maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. It's plastic, so I'm assuming it's Gen 2. Not really sure. More bubble wrap. We got the mag for the AK. Looks like we got a battery for the AK. Charger. Not really sure what bag of parts. Some kind of Picatinny rail. Mag. Lancer Tactical. It's like one of the newer styles. And this is the third one. It's like a Mod 0. Polymer. I guess in Gen 2. Yep, Gen 2's missing the tip. And missing the butt plate. Rim rods for stuck BBs, and tools. So, alright. I'm gonna throw a battery in these and see what they do. Got my personal batteries here. Being difficult here. Works. Put some BBs in it and see what she does. Fires. I guess it just had missing parts on it. That's good to know. Let's go to this Pro line. We'll throw this battery on here. Works too. See if she shoots. I hate these speed loaders. All right. Not firing. There we go. Mag just wasn't in there. Works. So I'm not too sure. I guess the missing battery was the Boneyard on this one. And we'll test out the AK. Works as well. Just throw some BBs in it. So far, I mean, for $44 a piece, I got 3 working guns. Just missing some parts. Let's see. It's the first AK I've ever had, so. She fires. It works. 3 working guns. So that ain't bad. We'll decide if we want to keep some of these or sell them. Thanks for watching, guys.